Well, let's shut her down for the day. And I keep the lights running on the 4640 because I'm scared of the dark. And where we live up here, the wolves will get you. You only got that distance, much more. And the wolves might get you before you get to that tractor.
Right there.
Hold on.
Is that a baby?
He's just a little fatty.
Look at that thing.
He's just a little fatty. There you go, pull to your left.
What? Pull to my left?
Yeah, we're done.
Oh. But I was still playing with the bear.
We go pet him.
Yeah, let's go pet him.
Well, let's let it begin. The official start to my corn harvest. Oh yeah, look at all that cow chow. Man, oh man. What I need to do is see how much poly wire I have and come off of that pasture and just take a big chunk of this field into poly wire and some round bales for corner posts and let the cows eat. But 15% moisture, we're going straight into the bin with that. Bypass the dryer. I got some wet corn in the dryer, and we'll let that run its way out, blend it off with this corn. There we go, I found it. You just gotta look for, there's some turkey and raccoon damage. I don't know if we have a field that I own over here that doesn't get wiped out by animals and trees on the outside round. Looking pretty new. Uh-oh, 70%. So here's a little extra gap. Let's lift up. We back up. Don't run over any corn on either side. Swing her this way. Ooh, drop the head. Dive into the corn. Woo! Whip her around, and we drop the corn head, and we wait for it to go down. Then we hit forward, and then we go forward. We scoop up all that corn. And we go forward, one, run through all the bear damage and deer damage. We just go 6 miles an hour because there's nothing here. Ah, crap, there's our 100%. Better shut her down. Better shut her down. Grain tank is full, it says. Yeah. Well, let's go empty. Ah! Way to go, genius. All right. We'll take this partial row up, run to the other headland. Are you kidding? It emptied right there. That is hilarious. Oh, this is nice. I love doing corn. I love doing corn. Isn't that something? I lined it up at the other end. I kind of eyeballed it up the hill, and I've never had to touch the steering wheel since. That was a good eye. That was a good eye. And look at, I can turn. It's not turning. Look at the snoot in the road. Uh-oh. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Wrong. 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 First day or new combine? Jeez. Do. Dad's, I don't know what he's doing with the loader. Oh, he took out the concrete wall. That's what he did. He grubbed all that manure. Holy cow. You know, I think he's just making up chores so he can use his little loader. Bypassing the dryer, going straight in the silo. Yeah. Let the gold flow. Let it flow. Well, let's go check the dryer. I don't know if I've ever dried corn in 70 degrees before, but we're dropping. I opened up a headland in another field the other week, several weeks ago, and it was like 25-27%. So we're doing almost 10 points through the dryer, which is pretty normal, but it's still going through there really fast compared to what we're used to, compared to when it's 20 degrees out. Oh man. So someday we'll have to talk about my dreams back here, what we're gonna do with all this as we grow. Time to put the door on. We're starting to get some kernels out. Put the door on and turn the fan on and get her going. All right, last wagons to get unloaded tonight, and I'm gonna leave the dryer run all night with the wet bin. So we're gonna empty that wet bin tonight. So we're not far from halfway on the crop store. So I want to make sure I got plenty of room for him to empty tonight. Then tomorrow morning, we'll, assuming he empties and the dryer keeps running all night, then in the morning, we'll continue top the bin off with a few rounds of wagons, and then he's full, we flip the auger around and wait for semis. I love combining in the dark. I need to get some LEDs on the Mighty Lexion. It works pretty good. I can see really clear out there.